Hi, my name is Reshma Thomas. I'm an editor by profession and mom of four. Every child deserves to be heard, and they do have a voice. Saksham AAC is the capstone project that I did for Google Kaggle AI agent course. And today I would like to present before you what Saksham is all about. As a mom, I have gone through those times when I could not truly understand what my child needs. As a non-verbal child, I often resort to seeing her facial expression, hearing her voice, her gestures, her posture. But sometimes it comes right, sometimes it is not. And with the advent of AI, this thought came across my mind. What if AI can see and feel and truly speak for her? And that led to the birth of Saksham. As part of my PG diploma in AI machine learning, I did a project, and this project was mainly built on models. But Saksham, as part of the Capstone project, I could upgrade it into an agentic project with 4 agents in the pipeline. And I'm sure that this is not just for my child, but for every child who needs to be heard. They truly deserve to be heard. Let's dive into Saksham AAC.
AAC, agentic voice for the voiceless, because every child needs to be heard and deserves a voice. Now, this all began with a mother's question of what if AI could recognize what her child feels and speaks for her? So, Saksham is a 4 agent agentic AI system built with Google ADK. Agent 1 is for perception. It makes use of OpenCV to capture the facial expression, body movements, and through the webcam, these are captured and it is sent to Gemini Vision. Then we have the Agent 2 for emotion detection. It analyzes what it sees and returns a structured emotion with confidence score. If confidence is below 70%, it triggers human in the loop, alerting the caregiver to confirm. And Agent 3 is for communication. It takes in that emotion and forms a natural sentence in a unique voice and personality. Agent 4 is for voice output and it speaks that sentence aloud. Now here we have Saksham running live. Watch it as it perceives, understands, finds words and speaks for my child.
I feel so cozy and relaxed.
That is my daughter's voice speaking for herself for the first time. Now, Saksham demonstrates multiple concepts that I learned in the AI Agents course by Google Kaggle. And these are some of the things that I could demonstrate in this project, in this capstone project. Multi-agent system, MCP server, agent skill, human in the loop, security, and of course, evaluation based on 5 emotional scenarios. And I got an average confidence of 93%. I also inculcated a human in the loop system. Now, what's the future? The future roadmap includes a custom voice clone that's built from her own sounds, fine-tuned vision model trained on her personal data, and deployment on NVIDIA's Jetson Orin Nano for fully offline private use. Saksham is submitted under the track Agents for Good. AI for Good, and it is a capstone project that is submitted for the Google Kaggle AI Agent course. I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I'm so glad that I could upgrade this project to an agentic level based on this course. And I believe that every child deserves a voice, and it's not only for my child, but for every child who needs to be heard. Thank you.